What's up, everybody? I am here. Well, you won't know where I am, but I am at Tama Plaza. They have lots of shops and things like that around here. I'm actually having some Baskin Robbins. It's caramel ribbon. My bus to head to Narita Airport comes at 1:30. It is now 12:52. Here's my backpack, whatever you call this, that goes around my waist. Here are pens, pencils, markers, and first aid kit. Super crowded in here. Since it's Golden Week, I'm guessing that everybody has a place to go. She's right there. Here's my boarding pass. Right now, we're about to go get something to eat, maybe, and then just wait for our flight, which is at 5:30. Boarding is at 5:05. It is now 3:44, so we have plenty of time. Okay, so we chose the Chinese restaurant. Fried rice and chicken. Their dessert, I don't know what it is. Kimchi? No. I know, like some pickles. And soup. That was fast. Gozaimasu. Smell it, it smells good. Itadakimasu. Bye-bye. Oh, we have to get on a bus. I'm just going to find an ATM and withdraw money, but I don't know how much I want to withdraw yet. And my money. Ooh, I'm rich! Look! Finally found this damn place. Hello. Hello. Okay. Morning from Busan! This is the green bus we just got off that brought us to this beautiful village. Blueberry and cream cheese. Cheddar cheese from New Zealand, chocolate with coconuts. Spicy and really delicious. We go back now. This was fun. Good morning, everybody. I am heading to a hike. Let's go check out this temple. This trail. Because I've never gone hiking and vlog at the same time. Hi, kitty, ready?
단술.
Oh,
단술.
This nice gentleman gave me something to drink. I don't know what it is, so hopefully I don't die of poison. He said it's tongsu. I don't know what that means, but it's good. 0.6 kilometers from 1.7. You see these pretty flowers here? This gentleman said I can eat them. So I'm gonna try. That was awesome. That was an experience. That tastes really good actually. I'm hiking the right mountain. Looks like I'm going all the way over there, if you guys can see, all the way over there. I think I am totally lost. I'm still mad I didn't go to the peak, but at the same time I didn't know that the peak was even there. 11:46, it's almost noon. See you guys back at the hostel. Now we're at the mall. Aideen just finished having lunch. We're gonna go get ice cream. Pistachio. So I'm at the fish market. Wanted to come here for a while. Oh my god, gross! It's moving!
It is! It has life! Ah! I wish they could tell us what it is.
Now go back to the hostel. Maybe I'll probably go back out again. So I am out again and I am gonna go try and find this tofu place that the nice girls told me about. I found it. Here's the menu. The buffet over there, so I guess I get to choose what I want. So you take a plate, tteokbokki, fried fish, noodles, this tofu, some more noodles, vegetables, kimchi, some salad something. Actually, this is kimchi. Oh, this is what the guy gave me. Rice punch. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. This looks like something spicy. My soup is bubbling. Some rice. Have my own utensils because I'm a psycho. Second round. That place was so good. I am coming back tomorrow and I'm coming back on Monday. Thanks for coming along on this adventure with me. I'll see you guys either on Monday or Tuesday in Jeju. Bye!